Low-Tech here. Just getting back from work. I clean up the shop a little bit, and here we go. Let's see here. That's what she looks like sitting on her side. Pretty interesting. Still using this LG tablet. I really like this thing. Yeah, once I see this wing that I put on here once I put this one on here, we won't be able to sit her on the side anymore. She can either have to be on her belly or upside down. Basically got the floor clean. That's good. Got to start from zero at some time. All these little areas here you see, this is where there was glue and I had to chip it up. That's why I have it up on 3/8 runner, so the glue will not glue the boat to the concrete and I can't lift it up. So one objective I want to do next is I want to deal with these guys here. If you look at these were actually used to staple that on when I was first jigging it up. They got to come off now because that piece of plywood is now taken off. If you come beside the runner here, same issue back here. I don't even know what that plywood is. Oh, that ugly ass piece of plywood right there. That's 3/8 also, and that's what pinned this point, this point, this point, and this point. And yes, you saw those. Unfortunately, when I picked up the boat and flipped it up like this, one of those went into my arm, so they're getting grinded off. What I'm looking for is any glue that might need to be chipped off this thing. Like a little divot right there has got to come off, because we're going to skin this pretty quick here. Just going through and checking for little areas, kind of like that there. That may or may not be a problem, but a nice flat sharp chisel will find all this stuff real fast. This glue is rated for 4,000 psi, but it's actually really soft. The only strength it really has is in the fact that you're laminating the beams like this. These two pieces, let's see here, these two pieces of 3/8 to make up, and there's a joint in between them, so they're basically lapping about every 4 feet, and that's what turned into one long stringer. But like I said, I'll go through and I'll check stuff. I still have to deal with this issue here. That's okay. I made a little bit of a calculation error the other day, but I'm going to fix that. Still strong as hell. Still picking it up with one hand. I mean, it's almost a two-hander now, but you see how straight that sucker is. That's one of the main runners. Here's the other main runner in the tail. All this stuff's going to get foam in it. If you look at this thing, it's coming along. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Not too much. I actually went to work today, and my customers are deciding that we should all take Memorial Day off. So yay, I'm taking Memorial Day off. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.